Today we'll be installing Torklift camper tie downs part number C3214 on a Chevy Silverado 1500 truck. These tie downs bolt directly to your truck's frame, creating the strongest mounting option possible for your slide-in camper. Made in the USA with a lifetime warranty, these tie downs are powder coated and built to last. If you find this video helpful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing for any future installs. Starting off, remove the two bolts on the side of the frame. Remove the bolts along the bottom of the frame. Lift the tie-down receiver into place and reinstall the bolts that were previously removed. Repeat this process to install the other receiver. Ready to use your tie downs, simply slide an insert into the receiver and secure it with the provided 1/4-inch pin. Your tie down installation is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.